Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a little bit about hard water and build up today, but I thought I'd do a better job of introducing myself. So let me jump to that and then I'm gonna jump into the video. So first things first, my name is Bailey and I work at Salon H. That is over in Charleswood in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I don't actually live in a city. I live over by Birds Hill. I mentioned that in my last video. I live with my dog and my boyfriend out here in this cute little house. I'm doing hair for 9 years. I took it in high school, so it's basically the only thing I've ever known. The only career I've ever had. Been doing it since I was 16, and that's a long time now. Saying that too, especially when you realize you graduated 8 years ago in 2012. It's a long time, but yeah, I've been obsessed with hair since day one. I used to cut my hair and put it in my drawers because my mom would find it in the garbage, so I thought my drawers would be more reasonable, but they weren't because she did my laundry and I was too young to do my own laundry, so she found it there too. So really, I've been loving hair since day one. But when I took hair school, I definitely fell in love with it even more. And one thing I really like doing is blondes. I do other hair colors, I promise you that. I do a lot of other hair colors, but I specialize in blondes specifically because they're my favorite. Transformations are really cool with them. So yeah, if you ever want to come see me for blonde, I'm all game. But if you do want to see me for other colors, I do brunettes, I do rainbow hair even, I've done before, so I should show you guys that. It's fun. The other thing that I specialize in is extensions. I like doing tape-in extensions and I customize clip-in extensions for clients. I don't do any of the weaves or the hand-tied extensions, so I can always recommend somebody who's good at that because it's just not my thing. But yeah, blondes, tape-ins, anything like that you guys want to come see me for, I'm 100% like can't wait to get my hands on anyone's hair. You will see the passion I have for hair when you are in my chair because I just love it. I don't know. I'm really lucky to have a job that I love so much, and that's why it's so hard to be off work. So this is why I'm trying to get some content in for you guys, and hopefully this video is helpful and you like it. So let me know. We're gonna jump into it. So this video is actually about shampooing your hair in a way. It's not what you guys think because I'm not gonna shampoo my hair for you guys today. I haven't washed it since I told you guys I did on, I think it was Tuesday. I don't even know. What day is it? Saturday? Don't know. But I'll tell you my routine for how I wash my hair because I do two different things. When I'm like day 1 or day 2, it really depends. But number 1. So this video is gonna be a little bit about hard water because I don't live in the city, so I have hard water. So I'm gonna show you the effects of it, and that doesn't just go for hard water. It goes for drugstore shampoos, anything that's building up on your hair, oils from your hands even. Like, there's so many things that build up on your hair, and I'm a huge product user for at least like leave-in conditioners and moisture conditioner kind of stuff. Whatever moisture I can get in my hair, it needs it. Like, it's dry and doesn't do anything if I don't put some oil or anything in it. So, and that's like what I recommend to every single one of my clients. So what I'm gonna show you is actually my bathtub. You're gonna see it in a clip right after this. I'm gonna scrub it down because I did it once and then I waited a couple days and I did it a second time to show you guys. So it shows you just how much, and that's with hard water, of course. but it shows you the same thing in this video, that the effects of hard water and what's on my tub is the same thing that is building up on your hair on the daily. So yeah, next please. So double washing your hair, that sounds crazy, I know. I've told a whole bunch of my clients to do this though, and I feel like a lot of you told me it's really helped. Makes a huge difference for me. I put way too much product in my hair not to double wash it. So okay, here's my routine. I'm gonna break it down. Day one. This would be wash day, I'm gonna say. So day one, we wash my hair. I do one wash with something like Malibu or something that's a clarifying shampoo. If you don't know what that means, it just means it like removes a lot more of those impurities and minerals and all those things you don't want in your hair. So when you're doing that first wash, a lot of the time I say to my clients, does it feel like you're mushing shampoo around your hair, like it's not doing anything? I'm like, they're like, yeah. I'm like, well, you're not really washing your hair then, are you? So that first wash, I find it kind of just breaks through that oil barrier, meaning it doesn't really do the wash. It's just breaking all of those oils, all of those root oils, whatever, all the oils you put on your ends. It's breaking them all off to start, like at least breaking through that barrier, because think of oil and water, right? So once you break through that barrier, then you can give it the real wash it needs, which when it's like lathering up good, especially with paraben-free shampoos, and I can't think of the other word. Oh, sulfate free. So with sulfate free shampoos, they don't lather quite the same, especially the first one if you're breaking through that barrier. So you got to give it like that second wash and really scrub in those roots. But using a clarifying shampoo, the first wash, or even sometimes for 2 washes, I've washed my hair like 3 times in a shower before, no lies. So let me show you the video. I'm going to show you how much it builds up and why you should be double washing your hair, and then I'm going to tell you the routine after I double wash my hair, because it depends again what I'm doing, but I can go 3-4 days sometimes if I double wash my hair compared to if I don't. Or if I'm on day 2 or 3, and I'll tell you the routine for that, because I have a special trick, especially for the girls who like to work out. I know, I get it, you want to wash your hair every day or at least shower every day, so that's fine. I'm going to show you how to do that because it's super easy. And I think, again, I'll have to figure out what day that was, because I'm gonna figure out what day this hair's on, and I have wet it since, but there's a trick to do it. Okay, this looks really gross, I know, but this is literally just from hard water. I scrubbed this last week. I will show you how much it builds up just on your hair. You can like watch it come off. Okay, so this is a few days later. It's still pretty clean, but you can already see the buildup back on the tub. The same thing happens with your hair. I'm gonna spray it again because I'm curious if more is gonna come off this round. This is the cleaner I use. It's like a non-toxic one. I seriously just use these scrubbies that are meant for like your dishes. I seem to work this. Oh, yeah, right. There's already a buildup from a few days. You can see the difference right here. And that's like a light scrub, you can tell. You can see it right here. Super different. few days, you guys. Me and Cole maybe shower once a day each, so, but you can see how just the hard water builds up. So imagine what it does to your hair and imagine what those drugstore shampoos do to your hair. Because yeah, no, bad news, guys. You should be using something that removes that. I personally use Malibu. If you need a hard water shampoo, I personally use this one. It is 100% vegan. It is also cruelty free. By the big old bottle, but yeah, it's really great. It removes a lot of that buildup, and always double shampoo. That is the biggest thing. That is my biggest tip. So, is it pretty easy to see in that video how much it can build up on your hair? Obviously your toner washes out over time, so your hair goes slowly back getting to be brassy. Guess what? The same thing happens with purple shampoo. A lot of you during the first lockdown did like way too much purple shampoo. I'm gonna be honest. You gotta chill it out. You don't even need it that much. Like once a week, even less. I purple shampoo my hair maybe once a month sometimes, barely, like rarely. And I understand that I like my hair way more warm than a lot of people. Like a lot of you don't say my hair looks yellow. I don't think it's yellow, but I do like it on the warm side. I don't like it super cool. So purple shampooing your hair too much can also build up like unwanted tone and make your hair seem all over dull, which I saw again a lot of after the first lockdown. What I want you guys to do is do the double wash and do a little bit less purple, because you can build it up the same way and it will remove a bit of that, but your hair is going to be toned for a while. So I get that you want to use your purple, so use it when you need it, but like if you're not going anywhere, only use it as much as it feels brassy, because in the same way that I showed you the brass builds up on my tub from the minerals that I don't have removed from my water, which hard water is literally just not city water, which has its minerals taken out of it and it's cleaned a bit better. So I just have a softener which doesn't do quite the same thing the city does. So mine shows, my tub video shows the brassiness of the buildup of like the iron in my water. Specifically, a lot of the time is hard water, but you guys don't have as much of that. But it's the opposite with purple. You have to chill it out on the purple. Like you don't need it that much, and it's gonna build up in your hair. It's gonna make it dull. Have you seen somebody with like that like low-key almost purple hair but not on purpose? It's not meant to be lavender. Well, the next trick I have for you guys is on day 1, we wash our hair, okay? Day 2, if you're gonna have that shower, here's your trick. Whether it's day 3 you have that shower because you're not a sweaty person and you didn't shower day 2 because you're at home and doing nothing, okay, I get it. Day 2 or 3, whatever day it is. The next time you need to rinse your body and you do not need to wash your hair, this is what you're gonna do. Rinse your hair, scrub it with your hands without shampoo, okay? Just give it like a little light scrub, it's fine. Just remove a little bit of the oil, okay? So you don't feel like greasy. And if you've ever been in a lake, this is my example. If you've ever been in a lake, pool, not so much because there's chlorine, but a lake where it's like natural water, and you get out of it, you don't wash your hair, it doesn't feel so good when you brush it out after, right? When it's like dry, like it doesn't feel that great. I don't really know why, but I feel like it's just because you don't have anything for slip in it. It's not like you're putting conditioner in it after the lake, right? But maybe you will now, because that's my trick. If you put conditioner, okay, this is my, put it on the ends, just here, like down. Try and get like maybe your front pieces a bit if you can in the shower, but like your hair's laying down, so just like put it on the ends, a little bit of conditioner, not much, and let it sit on the ends, because I mean you're gonna do your other routine if you need to shave, whatever the hell it is. So do the rest of your routine as you normally would with the conditioner in your hair minus the shampoo. Then when you go to rinse, I pull up all my hair and all that water that's coming off, that's like with the conditioner in it but like diluted, I pull it up and I let it touch all the stuff for literally a second, like 1 second. And on my hair, if I do that and then I rinse it out like good, like normal, it's soft again, I can go another 2-3 days. And this is my trick. Because I don't know what day it is right now. It's like Saturday and I haven't washed my hair since the day I told you guys I would for the curl video, which now I haven't touched it since, and I did my trick in between. And I mean, yeah, she could use a wash like maybe tomorrow, but like honestly, I could restyle this. Maybe I'll do a vote and after I post this, and if you guys want to see how to like straighten your hair after 4 days of wearing it or something, or maybe we'll vote for another style. Okay, so that's my 2 tricks for today in this video. Double wash your hair and do your day 2 or 3 conditioner. And if you need recommendations for where to get some clarifying shampoo or the Malibu, or just recommendations for products in general, I can totally recommend anything from our product lines. But I hope you learned something, or even just had a visual as to what is on your hair that you don't get to see. So yeah, I would love to hear if anyone does the double shampoo and has some success with it, as well as I'd love if you have any more questions, you can totally hit me up. So yeah, I hope everybody enjoyed and we'll see you next time.